Hello guys, how to restart your laptop using keyboard shortcuts on your Windows 11 and 10 system. Sometimes it happens that your mouse probably not working and you want to restart or shut down your PC using keyboard shortcuts. Here we will discuss two methods. The first one is Alt plus F4. You can press Alt plus F4 from your keyboard and a pop-up window will appear on your screen. First, close all your running program. Thereafter, you can minimize that. Press Alt plus F4 and a pop-up window will appear. What do you want to computer to do so? And if you press enter, here you can choose shutdown or restart. The second one is the second method is press Control plus Alt plus Delete. This is the second way to restart or shut down your PC using keyboard shortcuts on your Windows 11 and 10 laptop. So press Control plus Alt plus Delete and it will open with three options: shut down, restart, and you can choose any one of them as per your choice. And using keyboard shortcuts, you can shut down your laptop or PC with keyboard.